In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page breaks in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a lengthy report, a school assignment, or any other type of document, knowing how to manage the layout effectively can make a substantial difference in presentation and ease of reading. Page breaks are crucial for organizing content and ensuring that sections of your document start on a new page, and Google Docs makes it easy with a few simple steps. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Google Doc and navigating to the spot where you want to insert the page break. Here, you'll need to place your cursor at the specific point in the document where you'd like the new page to start. This step is essential, as it tells Google Docs exactly where you want the division between the pages to occur. Next, you'll need to direct your attention to the top menu bar of your Google Docs interface. Look for the word Insert. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains a variety of options for inserting different elements into your document, such as images, tables, and most importantly for today, breaks. Now, with the drop-down menu open, move the cursor down to the option labeled Break. There's no need to click yet. Simply hovering over this option will reveal additional choices related to breaks. You'll see options like Page Break, Section Break, and others that are useful for structuring your document further. For today's purpose, we're focusing solely on page breaks. Once you've hovered over Break, go ahead and click on Page Break from the submenu. Selecting this option will instantly insert a page break at the location you previously chose. You'll notice that everything after your selected point shifts to a new page, creating a neat division between pages. This is particularly handy when you want a new chapter or section to begin on its own page, making your document more organized and reader-friendly. For those who are doing this for the first time, you might wonder about other methods or shortcuts. There's also a keyboard shortcut. You can press Ctrl and Enter simultaneously on a Windows PC or Command and Enter on a Mac to achieve the same result as choosing Page Break from the menu. And that's it, just a few straightforward steps to insert a page break in Google Docs. This simple yet effective tool will help you enhance the structure of your documents, making them look more professional and easier to navigate. Thanks for joining me, and happy writing.